In this video, we'll show you how to install a VST3 plugin in FL Studio. Start by opening your File Explorer and finding the folder where you downloaded your VST3 plugin. Right-click on the plugin file and click Copy. Now go to your C drive. Open Program Files, then find and open the folder named Common Files. Inside this folder, look for another folder called VST3. If you don't see it, right-click, choose New Folder and name it VST3. Open the VST3 folder and paste your plugin file inside it. Now open FL Studio. Go to the top left corner, click on Options and then select Manage Plugins. When the Plugin Manager opens, check the list of plugin search paths. Make sure that the Common Files folder with the VST3 plugin is listed there. If it's missing, click the folder icon to add it manually. After that, click the button that says Find Installed Plugins. FL Studio will now scan and add your new plugin. Once the scan is complete, go to the browser on the left side of your screen. Switch to the Plugin section and open the installed folder. You will now see your newly added VST3 plugin in the list. That's how you install a VST3 plugin in FL Studio.